It is hot here across Central Texas, and that's going to continue into our Father's Day weekend. The orange shading you see here, that is a heat advisory. That's bad enough with heat index values of 105 plus. But in the excessive heat warning, including Waco, Temple, Killeen, we could see heat index values in excess of 110 degrees. This is when it gets really dangerous. So make sure you're staying hydrated this weekend and taking frequent cooling breaks if you will be out and about, because it is going to stay on the toasty side. Remember, here are your heat terms. That means maximum heat index values getting above 105 degrees for the excessive heat warning area, 110 or higher. So this is going to be a pretty good heat wave, not only for the weekend, but likely continuing into early next week as well. As your high temperatures, about 97 degrees on Saturday. There should be more clouds around, but with the humidity, it's still going to feel about the same. Heat index values on average around 110, especially along and east of I-35. 101 for Sunday with a heat index value of 109. Same for Monday with a high temperature of 102 degrees. Then it does come down. At least the highs will be going from 101 Tuesday down into the middle 90s as we head into the end of next week. And hopefully those heat index values will follow that trend as well, getting close to just minimal heat advisory standards. Still going to be hot though, any way you slice it. Will we see any thunderstorms as we head into Saturday? Well, probably not too much, as more clouds will be around for Saturday. As we get into the afternoon hours, thunderstorms will develop in West Texas, but how many of those could make it into Central Texas? That is the big question mark right now. We'll see if they can get in here. This one suggests that it might, especially areas west of I-35, and then dying out as it moves off to the east. We'll just have to wait and see exactly how this comes together as we move into Saturday. But I will say this, the models have overdone thunderstorm activity in our area the past few days. So if that gives you any indication, looks like our rain chances will be pretty low. So tonight, temperatures will be down into the mid to upper 70s. Then tomorrow, highs into the upper 90s to near 100 degrees. A few more clouds here across the area, so I think that keeps many of us below 100, but it will feel like it's around 110 again in the afternoon. 30% chance for a couple thunderstorms as well. We'll go 20% on Sunday. Again, don't expect much. It's just mainly going to be hot out there, and that continues through early next week. Then as we get into late next week, hopefully we'll get a little more of a sea breeze in here. Temperatures into the 90s for highs with lows into the 70s.